Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact trim size and bleed. This prevents rescaling errors later. Open the editable cover source, Photoshop, Illustrator, or a layered PDF so you can alter dimensions precisely. Next, calculate spine width with the final page count using KDP specs, then set canvas to full cover spread. Once done, align margins and safe zones visually, because KDP rejects artwork that places text too close to edges. This initial cleanup saves submission cycles. You now adjust artwork to match the spread. Scale images to fill bleed while preserving 300 dpi image quality, and convert colors to CMYK so printed tones stay consistent. Outline or embed fonts and then flatten only the export file. Keep an editable master to reuse. Once aligned, export as a print-ready PDF, PDF/X1A preferred, with all fonts and images embedded. Make sure trim marks are correct, because KDP checks trim and bleed precisely during upload. You upload the final PDF to KDP and inspect the online preview carefully, scanning for misaligned text or unexpected white lines at the spine. If the preview flags errors, start troubleshooting. Verify file size limits, confirm CMYK and 300 dpi, and ensure fonts are fully embedded or outlined. Re-export using the correct PDF standard if problems persist, and reupload. If you still see issues, contact KDP support with your export settings and a screenshot. This speeds resolution and avoids repeated re-uploads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.